OPEC has functioned as the textbook cartel. The 14 members of the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries produce 40% of the oil used every day, giving the group strong influence over oil prices and the global economy, like a championship boxer who has dominated in the ring for decades. In its more than half-a-century existence, OPEC has fought off challenges from new technologies and competition from petroleum discoveries outside its members' domains. But the group is really up against the ropes now, as the U.S. produces record supplies of fracked shale oil and the planet begins to embrace renewable energy. To stave off the competition and boost prices, OPEC has cut output. This strategy has succeeded in the past, but will it work now? Here's the situation. Production cuts by OPEC and its allies gave prices a quick boost when they were agreed upon in November 2016, but it didn't last. The real question is whether OPEC can prop up prices when the U.S. continues to increase production by fracking deposits of shale oil. Here's the argument. OPEC's agreement to cut output includes several non-member countries, which should help it regain control over crude oil and prices. Some forecasts suggest oil consumption will continue to rise in the next 20 years, which seemingly would benefit OPEC and its allies. It's unclear how OPEC's strategy will play out. Even though oil has risen steadily since June 2017, analysts are divided over whether the cartel will finally succeed in eliminating the supply glut that has depressed crude prices for several years. Plus, with increased innovation in renewable energy, oil consumption may peak sooner than expected. That could leave OPEC knocked down with no chance of getting back up.